Welcome to Istanbul Airport, where passengers can take flights to over 350 destinations. This is currently the biggest airport in the world, and it ranks second after Changi Airport in the world's top 10 airports list, surveyed by Travel and Leisure magazine. Considered as a major hub at the intersection of Asia, Europe, and Middle East, Istanbul Airport has also been selected as Europe's best. With over 40 million passengers despite being just 3 years old, this grand airport is indeed a state of the art. Now let's take a look at the inside of the biggest airport in the world. Walking around, it felt more like a luxury shopping mall. The interiors are beautifully done. You have to find the wireless internet kiosk provided by Turk Telecom to access free Wi-Fi for 1 hour. Huge amount of shops and eateries offering delightful foods can be found inside Istanbul Airport. You just then have to be patient in finding a place to sit. I didn't have a hard time looking for the gate going to Turkish Airlines departure area. I arrived early at the boarding gate. I was so tired but happy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.